Please listen. Sometime you will convince about you to others that I am like this. I am qualified like this. That is the way you get your job. But you are not convinced about you. How many of you understand this kind of a situation? That is what is called self-doubt. Others are convinced, but not you. Others are convinced, but not you. That is what is self-doubt. See, when you convince others, they are convinced. You come back and lie down in your room, but you analyze and see you are not convinced. Then doubt about you starts rising. That is what is self-doubt. How many of you understand? How many of you can spend few minutes, find out all your self-doubts and pen down? You will be having so many self-doubts about your qualifications and possibilities. How many of you can pen down? Raise your hand. Can we all write? Please write. Then we will move to the next step. You try to show you are very humble outer image. The world perceives you arrogant. How many of you experience this? Raise your hand. Only few. Others are still not understanding. Listen. How you show you to the world and how world perceives you. This gap. All of you, how many of you understand? As you show, world does not believe you. How many of you understand that? Raise your hand. You are clear about that. Now, how many of you understand there is a gap? That is what becomes self-hatred. See, when you try to show yourself some way, but people don't believe you that way, then you start feeling, I am not enough. I am not sufficient. The guilt. That is what I call self-hatred. How many of you now understand self-hatred? Raise your hand. Come on. Try to find out all your self-hatred. all the self-hatred you have developed, try to pin them down. Let's see how the identities got created, which led to so much of confusion. SDHD, self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. First, initially, how we started building this identity. First time in your life when you felt powerless, inadequate, frightened, the survival crisis, powerless, inadequate. That is the time that identity starts getting developed. Listen, I'll give you an example. When you are a child, 4-year-old baby, running around, jumping in the rain, suddenly your mother appears, just slaps you, drags you into the room and puts you in the room and locks. Now you can tell, no, she was taking care of my health, so she's protected me, otherwise I'll catch cold. But at that time, exactly what you would have felt. Oh, this demon is thrashing me, putting me into the room and locking. I am powerless. There is nobody for me. But others are, others means my mother, exploiting me, forcing me, pressuring me. But I have to show myself strong. Then you start screaming, crying, let me out. How many of you understand this kind of incident happened in your life? At that time, what do you think about you? I am powerless. That becomes your first inner image. Then, mother is cruel, angry. That becomes your first life image. I have to show myself powerful. I'll scream. That becomes your first outer image. This is the way you start developing the image. Already, how many of you remember some incident happened like this in your life? Raise your hand. Go back to the earliest memory of your childhood, earliest memory, and relive that incident. Try to find out what is your first inner image, life image, and others image. How many of you think you can do it? Raise your hand. Let's take few minutes and do it. How many of you think you can't do it? Raise your hand. Let's take few minutes and do it. You can do it. Please pick up the paper and pen. Sit silently with yourself and start thinking. Try to find out.
हासिनी मनोन्मणि पापनाशिनी त्रिभुवन पोषिणी विशेषिणी ज्ञानदायिनी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि जगदीश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि करुणसागरी कमल पुष्पनेत्र सुन्दरी कन्याकुमारी कामनाशिनी सुभाषिनी विश्वरूपिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि स्वप्रकाशिनी जगच्चिन्त्यमानरूपिणी धर्मस्थापिनी ध्यानपीठकारणेश्वरि मन्दहासिनी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि परमेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि महायोगिनी भक्तसङ्कटापहारिणि सभानायकी श्रीचक्रमध्यवासिनि दुःखहारिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि
It's your life. Think, dig it out. Only then I can help you to complete. See, whatever you identify as incompletion, I will clear it. But if you have not identified, I cannot do anything. How many of you are still writing? Raise your hand. Thank you for your sincerity. Others, please think through and write.
नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि महाभयकरी ह्रींकारबीज अक्षरी सदाशिवकरी सत्कृपाकटाक्षसागरी मीराभयकरी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि भुवनेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि महाराजिनी नित्य सिंहासनेश्वरि मधुरभाषिणी भुक्तिमुक्तिशक्तिदायिनि मङ्गलेश्वरि नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि चक्रराजिनी नित्य मूलमन्त्र आत्मिनि मूलाधारिणी सुधासाराभिवर्षिणि सहस्रकारिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि करुणेश्वरि शरणं श्री नित्य नित्येश्वरि भक्तप्रेमिणी नित्य भावनागम्येश्वरि शक्तिरूपिणी शर्वाणि शर्मदायिनि निराकारिणी नित्य आनन्देश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि शरणं सर्वेश्वरि नित्य नित्येश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि नित्येश्वरि शरणं नित्यानन्द जगदीश्वरि
Let's gather for next session. Thank you.